Hi guys, I'm Asmith, and today I am going to be bringing you another raw food. Oh, no, today I'm going to be bringing you another video. But in this video, this is more so food for the soul, guys. Like I said in my previous videos, that I wanted to start to bring you more encouragement. So I want to go quickly and share with you something that happened to me. So over 10 years ago, guys, I wrote down a goal. At that time, like I used to think about eating more high raw vegan, guys, and I would do good for sometimes, but then it's like after a couple of days I fall off. After a week I would fall off, and I just was like, all right, so I'm just going to write this goal down, guys. I wasn't going to figure out how I was going to do it, so I just went and wrote it as though I was actually doing it. And then you know what happened? I stuck it in my glove compartment and forgot about it for 2 years. It wasn't until about 8 years ago that I was in my glove compartment getting something, and I pulled this out. And it wasn't this one. This is just a copy of what it looked like, guys. But I pulled the paper out, and I just was like, man, it bothered me. Here it go, 2 years ago, I like remembered I had written that goal. Totally forgot about it. Wasn't even a day closer, right? And so that bothered me. I went to God, and I was like, Lord, how do I do this? Like, I keep trying, but I don't have the success. Like, how do I do it? And I would just ask him, like the day led to a couple of days to a week. And then it got like a month down the road. I wasn't totally focused on it then. But I went to church. And so the pastor, who was raw vegan, him and his wife had done a fast. And he was sharing this night. The way that he had become raw vegan was that he did a fast. And after that fast, he just decided to stay with eating healthier. So guys, like right then, ding, 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 I got insight, right? And so then I was like, I'm gonna try that. So I fasted, and I didn't even think about raw food. I just was fasting to be able just to hear God more clearly. And then just to like be light, spending time with him, right? Being in his presence, things like that. And so I'm gonna tell you what happened, right? So I came off of that, and I began to eat more high raw vegan food. So guys, that went on. That's how I began to increase in it. So guys, this really just stuck with me today, because some of you have goals in your mind, but you haven't put it on paper. But what came to me is Habakkuk 2 verse 2 through 3. And I wanted to read this to you. It says, "And the Lord answered and said, Write the vision and make it plain upon tables, that he may run that readeth it. For the vision is yet for an appointed time, but at the end it shall speak and not lie. Though it tarry, wait for it, because it will surely come. It will not tarry." So what God was saying, make the vision clear. Write it down. Make the vision clear, right? So guys, at this time, I really did believe that I needed to be high raw vegan to be healthy. And God met me there. I can tell you I've come to a greater revelation, and I know that Jesus sustains my health. But back then, God in his love met me right where I was. So I just wanted to come today and just share that with you and encourage you how God gave me insight to eat more raw vegan food. And it birthed this YouTube channel that I'm teaching to you. And I just really do pray that, these stories would touch you. And I just thank God that this would be a reminder that you are deeply loved. And what you're asking for, he's listening, all right? So until next, I can't say if you would change anything. But guys, until we meet again, until we talk again, until another video, have a great day.